How to hide followers and subscription on Instagram. The very first thing you want to do is to open your application Instagram. You have to make sure that you have the latest version of the app. Once you have opened, enter your login credential, as in your username and the password, and simply log in to your specific account. Once you have been logged in, head over to your profile at the bottom right corner. And let's head over to my followers. Once you are inside followers, you can see there is no any option or the feature where you are able to hide the followers and the subscriptions. But still there is an alternative way to do it. What you want to do is go back to your profile. Tap on this three horizontal line at the top right corner. In here, head over to account privacy. So your account is public right now, which means that all the people on Instagram, even the people who doesn't follow you, will be able to view your followers and following. So in order to limit the people from viewing your followers, all you want to do is toggle on this option private account and then click on switch to private. Once the account has been switched to private, the people who follows you will only be able to view your follower list. Well, there is no any features where you are able to hide it from everyone. If you want to hide it from everyone, then all you have to do is wait for the Instagram to update the feature, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can hide your followers and subscription on Instagram. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.